Welcome back, nature lovers, forest bathers, and eco warriors. It's Nick from Nick's Nature Walks, joining me on another episode as we enjoy midsummer and enjoying the bounty of nature. I'm going to show you today the meadow area that we explored in the spring. It looks quite different today. I wanted to really show you how it really is coming into its own this time of year, and showing you hopefully not only flowers and plants but also maybe some insects of interest. So it just depends on what we see as we go through our walk. So as we're standing here ready for our walk, I'm just sort of panning around. The pink flowers in the background are wild bergamot, and if any of you are tea drinkers, you'll know that bergamot is the flavoring in Earl Grey tea. So when I walk past it, if you crunch the flowers or the leaves, just gently pressing, you get that beautiful aroma coming through. You can also see the yellow, that's black-eyed Susans. There's also a type of clover. I think it's called eggs and butter or butter and eggs. That's just down in the picture right there. I'm also looking at meadowsweet, which we'll look at in a few moments, and also the big blue stem. These tall stands of grass, that is big blue stem. We also have another indigenous grass in here as well. And so as we walk, we will be enjoying seeing these sights and seeing what is coming out in flower and what's alive, and what we can appreciate today. The other thing that I'm going to be looking at as we're going to walk is any signs of monarch caterpillars. It's that time of year. We haven't seen very many this year, which is concerning, and that's why it's so important to be mindful of our habitat, making sure we're not destroying our habitat, to make sure that we are able to have the right environment for species like the monarchs that are having some challenges. And as I'm talking, I just want to show before we go for our walk, you can just see in front of us a dragonfly. And there are many types of dragonflies. This is just one type. I saw a few moments ago this amazing one that had sort of like double sets of wings. I'm not sure whether we'll be able to see that again, but just beautiful. And they like mosquitoes, deer flies. There's another one that's just settled on grass there, you can just see down there, but very helpful for the environment. Bad mosquito season because it's been so wet, and at the same time it part of the ecosystem that we have in this area. Okay, so come walk with me. So this is a stand of milkweed, and I'm going to investigate because I'm seeing signs of monarch caterpillar. And you're probably saying, okay, how do you know that? So there are two things that we look out for this time of year. One is eaten leaves, and so you can see here that certainly something's been noshing on those leaves. Now the other thing is, and apologies, but is caterpillar poo, basically. And so homing in on that, that is signs of caterpillars. And so I know that at some point, if it's still there, there has been a monarch caterpillar. But I'm going to have a look under leaves. Sometimes you have to look under the leaves just to see if there's anything there. And I'm not seeing anything at the moment. No, but certainly signs of activity, which is a good sign. Oh, and I just seen one. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm going to walk very carefully over, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you my first monarch caterpillar. Where are you? Now you can see it on this blade of grass. Can you see? See if I can get in. Okay, just bear with me a second while I try and move the plant. It's a very delicate maneuver. Move the grass out of the way. bear with me. Oh, here we go. Okay. You can just see it. I'm just going to see if I can get my camera positioned and bring this up very carefully so you can see. There you go. There you go. This is a monarch caterpillar. Look at that. It's on a big blue stem leaf, and so it is going to be munching on the milkweed that's close by. And the other interesting thing is that this caterpillar, oops, gone out of focus, will potentially have its chrysalis. This camera's gone out of focus again. I'm going to put it back. Okay. There we go. Will have its chrysalis on the big blue stem, and it's so hard to see. The chrysalis are like jewels, like emeralds, and with little gold spots on it. It's very special to find them. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and keep, remember where we've seen this, and keep an eye out that when this caterpillar gets a bit fatter and turns into a chrysalis, we'll see if we can find it. But the big blue stem and the chrysalis, they're very similar colors, and so very hard to find, but they apparently like this environment. Milkweed and big blue stem is the perfect environment for them. Look at that. I'm so pleased that we were able to see that. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy to see that. And we have another dragonfly. There we go. Look at the beauty of that dragonfly as well. Wow, wow. Okay, I'm just going to move away. Let the caterpillar do its thing. Got some black-eyed Susans there as well. Wow. So maybe what we'll do, if I can get back in there, because I think this is so special, is that we will do our mindful minute appreciating this monarch caterpillar and the fact that the monarch caterpillar, the monarch butterfly from which its eggs came, has come all the way from Mexico. And it's just amazing. And I ask you, as we do our mindful minute, to take a look at that beautiful caterpillar, the markings of it, appreciate it, and just be awed by it. So let's take a minute. Okay, that was a minute. Sorry, it got a bit fuzzy at one point. It's hard to stay in the position that I am. It's not a very comfortable position for a minute. So we'll say goodbye to the monarch caterpillar. Wish it well. Wish it a safe journey. Because once that caterpillar emerges, because of the time of the year, it will likely be the one, the butterfly that flies back to Mexico, on its way to Mexico. Okay. Wow. That has made my day. Okay, so we're going to go along here. Actually, I'm going to turn back because I wanted to show you some other things that are down this way. So, sorry, I've just, again, got a little bit distracted because of the monarch caterpillar. That does happen. You hear the blue jay in the background. Just want to show you meadowsweet, indigenous species, indigenous shrub that is full of pollinators. If you look at it, it's got ants in there. You can see the ants. See the ants in there? Busy, busy, busy. There's just up the way on here is some, actually here's a big blue stem and flower here. And in the fall time, this dries out and you can just go up. I'm just going to show you. You can go up like this and the seeds come out and then you can just scatter. Sometimes we collect it to scatter in other spots, and other times we just walk around and just have it here as well. Just scatter it along so it spreads, and as you can see, it really has spread. It's amazing. And you've got some black-eyed Susans in here, some more bergamot. I just want to show you this. I actually ate some of these berries earlier, but this is a type of wild bramble, and we have some growing near the house, and we've been able to go out and pick them for breakfast, like a small bowl, and they're small but they are flavorful. I'm just going to show you in my hand here. And it's always good to have a bit of a snack as you're walking around. And the daisies this year, look at the daisies. They've been very good this year. It's nice to see that they're flying. And I'm looking down at the path because in the spring there were wild strawberries in flower, but the fruit disappears really quickly. We don't often see it. And this beautiful blue flower is wild chicory. And around our house this time of year, we try and limit how much grass we cut. We've created naturalized gardens, and there are areas where we do cut the grass, but there are a lot of areas that we don't stop cutting grass after a period of time. And what happens is that this beautiful chicory sprouts out, and we have this blue carpet. They typically flower in the morning and then they close up late in the afternoon. And when I first walked past this flower, you can see there's an insect on there. Look at that. Wow. Look at the color of that. Look at the green. I'm obviously busy pollinating, and you can just see, I think, see the pollen sacs on there? Wow, look at that. Wow. And I don't know what type of pollinator there it is. There are so many different types of bees. I don't know what type of bee this could be or pollinator it is, but I'll take a look. But I think I can see on its legs the pollen sacs. Can you see that? White? Gosh, look at that. Wow. Nature at work. So as I was saying, the blue chicory, and I think there's a little white spider there as well. Wow, look at that. Oh, here's another one. In one plant. Just look at the nature that's going on. Wow. But we allow this to grow, and it's like a blue carpet. And then sometimes we have these daisy-like flowers there. Then we have the that eggs and butter, whatever it's called, I can never remember, growing, the yellow flower you see in there. And it's just beautiful. So it's like another garden. Wow. And here's another one. Another flower. Look at that. Amazing. I don't know whether you can hear in the background. Let's see if I can hear it again. We call it rubber band frog. I'm not sure what the technical term is, but it's a frog that sounds like a rubber band when you ping a rubber band. And I'm just showing you the sumac here. That's going to look beautiful in the fall. And you can probably hear the cardinal. That call you just heard is cardinal. We call them Mr. C because Mr. C makes that sound. And look at that. Goldenrod is out. Wow. Oh, and dragonflies are around as well. I was hoping I could find... Oh, there's one down me. See it there? What a beautiful colour. It's like a reddish, brownish colour. Wow. Earlier there was this beautiful butterfly, and as I was filming, thinking about filming, well, I was actually filming and then I made a mess of it, that I captured. It wasn't a monarch, but just beautiful speckled butterfly. And so as we look to wrapping up today, it's just amazing in a short walk what we see. And I really appreciate you joining me and sharing this. And I'm so pleased I found a caterpillar, walnut caterpillar, to show you. And we'll keep an eye out to see if I can find the chrysalis of that caterpillar, just to see whether we can explore together the different stages of the monarch. And I just saw that butterfly flit through, but it's over the far end of the meadow. But I think we've seen a fair bit today, and I've gone a bit over than I anticipated, but I hope it was worth it. I appreciate you taking time to watch and listen, and hopefully take some time just to explore yourselves and enjoy the wonders of nature, that even just in a few moments you can explore and enjoy, and bring some joy to our lives. It's good for the brain, it's good for the body, and I certainly appreciate you taking the time to be with me. Hopefully enjoying the distractions that I have as I see something new, and coming for a walk with me. So take good care, enjoy the day, take time for you, and I wish you peace, stillness, and calm in your life. And until next time, thank you. Take good care. Bye now.